Okay, just seconds ago until the start of trading on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, and stocks are set to kick off slightly higher despite a private employment report that came in worse than expected. You want to watch some China-related stocks. Manufacturing in China expanded, but let's get down to the New York Stock Exchange where Lydia Thew is standing by. Lydia.
Betty, after the best quarter since 1998, where do we go from here? This, of course, is the big question for all investors here. That we did have this huge rally off the March lows, but we've really seen it peter out in the past couple of months. And so the question is whether or not there's much of a catalyst. What will the catalyst be to take stocks much higher from here? We've got tons of economic data to digest here. Lots of folks looking for green shoots or confirmation of green shoots. You heard Neil Ferguson of Harvard referring to green shoots, green schmoots, he says. Kind of a harumph right there. But I spoke with Phil Dow over at RBC Wealth Management. He says that you could see a catalyst coming from the ISM data, which we're going to get at 10 a.m. Economists expect that we saw a contraction in manufacturing at the slowest pace in 10 months, so that could be a good thing. Keep an eye on that. You mentioned the Chinese PMI data showing that manufacturing in China did expand for the fourth straight month. So keep an eye on some of the material stocks, for instance, today. You've got metals on the rise. You also do have oil on the rise, so also keep an eye on the energy stocks. Now, as for economic data coming out as well, pending home sales, keep an eye on the home builders. Also a key group to watch because we've seen some weakness in the home builders, and that has some investors questioning, again, how long this rally will continue to go, if it's going to go much higher. But right now, Betty, we're up 57 points on the Dow. Back to you.
We are indeed. That is what I'm seeing over here on my screen as well, Lydia.